Okay, so today we're going to go over fast food and nutrition. So what are some of your fast food restaurants that you guys like to eat at? McDonald's, Jack in the Box,
Mexican restaurants.
These are restaurants.
They're fast food restaurants. Okay, so all these restaurants that we named, answer this question on the board. How many calories do you think are in the average fast food meal that you eat?
I can't tell you.
What's a lot?
2,000.
2,000? Okay, we're going to figure that out later on. First, we're going to go over why do we eat fast food. What are some positive things about it? What are the negatives?
Good.
It's good. Tastes good.
Fills you up faster.
Fills you up faster. Time. Cheaper. What are some bad things?
You get fat.
Yeah. Makes you fat. It's greasy.
Yeah, out of shape.
Okay. Get out of shape. So next, what we're going to do, we're going to figure out our BMR. It's our basal metabolic rate. It's how many calories you need to get your body functioning throughout the day. This is how many you must have. So for girls, you're going to use this equation right here, and for boys, you're going to use this equation. You're just taking this times your weight in pounds, this times your height in inches. How many inches are in a foot? 12. Okay, so work on that, and I'll walk around and make sure you're doing it right. Anyone have questions?
Do we have to 655 last?
Yeah. Add what's in the parentheses, figure out what's in the parentheses first, and then do all the adding and subtracting last. Share the calculators. Still working on them?
I finished.
Okay. So that's your number, and that's how many calories that you need to have each day. Okay. Now we're going to do a little activity. I have these menus from fast food restaurants. So you're going to have 2 menus at each group. You're going to look through them, look at for a meal of what you eat. Fries, drink, hamburger, whatever it is. Figure out what it is. Tally all your calories on your sheet for one meal. So you two can work on McDonald's and then switch it with them. Here's Olive Garden, work on that and switch it with them. Wendy's, figure out. And Burger King. We'll find something that you would usually pick out from there. And don't forget the salad.
Do we take one of everything?
No. What you usually eat when you go out to eat. Write the calories. Write all the calories and then you'll add them.
I eat a salad.
Miss, do we both? I don't eat burgers. Do we both have to pick something? Each?
Yeah, what type of burger do you usually eat? A Whopper, just a regular burger, chicken nuggets?
Yes. That's
Anything. Okay, so pick out chicken strips or whatever how much calories it is. If you do fries, go to the fries.
How many things? Only one thing?
And a drink. So pick out a whole meal. Yeah, pick out one thing.
Look how many calories it is. 670.
So we write calories?
So we do the burger, fries.
Tally the whole calories for the whole meal. Any questions? Don't worry about it right now. Just put the calories of what you usually eat. Don't pick something that's less.
What's up?
You get a medium? Okay, well, if all they have on there is just the small, just put the small. But you know it's probably more than that.
And then we add them all together?
Add them all together.
We get desserts too?
If you usually get dessert, get dessert.
Do they have cheese?
Just breadsticks.
We can't get those.
30 seconds, finish up. Finish? You had you added them all together? Okay. Okay. Add those together.
What if I have 2 drink sizes that I usually get?
Pick one and add them up. go out to eat?
Yes.
Okay. How is that compared to your calories that you need daily?
Less.
It's less? Is it a lot less?
No.
Yeah, mine's more.
How much less is it? 300. So say you're only 300 off in one meal, but you still have to eat 2 more meals. So what does that mean?
Oh, that was too much.
Way too much. It means if you're eating each meal with that many calories, you're eating way more calories than you need. And that's how people get fat. So these are the calories that you need daily. There's different for girls and different for boys. Does everybody know what sedentary is? No? It means people that just don't do any physical activity. They don't exercise throughout the day. They're pretty much couch potatoes. Just sit on the couch and do nothing. And active. So there's a range for it. If you're active, you can get more calories. You can eat more calories because you burn more. Okay? So those are the ranges that you need daily for teenagers. These are some things with obesity. Everybody's seen The Biggest Loser on TV, right? Fast food, major problem. These are some other things. 1 in 3 adults is obese in the United States. 3,500 calories equal 1 pound. So if you're eating excessive calories, once you make 3,500, that makes 1 pound. That's how you start gaining weight. Portion control. That's another issue with eating out. This is usually what you'll get served when you go out to eat, right? But this is really what you should get served. So see the difference?
You want to watch my food?
Big difference.
Even if you're active?
Even if you're active, you still want to eat healthy because at some point it's going to stop. And then these are some of the diseases that you can get from eating all this bad food. You have heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, some forms of cancer. And then you need to also be aware, this is just a region of the United States by obesity. What region has the most? North, south, east, or west? East. The southeast, right? And we're right in that region. So just be aware of that.
Dang, blue.
Okay, so all in all from this activity, explain to me how you can make healthier choices.
What should we eat? Watch what we eat.
Eat healthier foods. Cook at home sometimes.
Exercise.
When
Exercise.
you get a big portion, just eat half of it.
Eat half of it. You don't need to eat the whole thing. Also, you need to be aware. Who wants to go to college? Okay, who's heard of the freshman 15? What is that? It's when you go to college and you gain 15 pounds and you don't even know it. But why are you gaining the weight?
You're just having so much fun.
Yeah. You live in dorms, so where are you going to eat? Out. Fast food. So that's just something you need to be aware of too. You can eat healthy eating fast food, but you just have to make healthy decisions. Okay?